video set. They want to do. Yeah.
We're live. Awesome. Hey guys, we're live. We're live on Facebook. Look at this. What's going on over here? Look at that. I caught somebody in the corner. What's going on there? Oh wow. We're at so Verge Center for the Arts, right? I'm on Facebook, so I'm just talking to the people. So, where's our guy? Oh, we're not too loud, are we? Are we breaking the rules?
No.
Because I can bring it down a bit. It's not going to be like this the whole time, though.
Okay, cool.
Just the intro. So, like, is it okay? Right at this moment?
Yeah.
I'll turn it down just a little. Will that work? We're already breaking the rules. Hey guys, we're live on Facebook. We're here at the Shear Factor. Got a DJ right here. We need to bring it down just a little.
Okay, yeah.
Because we're breaking the rules.
Yeah, okay.
So just a little. Okay, cool. Perfect. All right. Hey, Zach, we're on S Street at the Verge Art Center. Everybody is here getting all set up. The Shear Factor. Day one. How's that? Is that better? All right. She's not paying attention. Turn it back up. Just kidding. No, you can turn it up. Yeah. Bring it. I'll tell you when. Okay, right here. Okay. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, we'll keep it. We're just getting everybody kind of, hyphy with it. All right, so Zach, you need to come down here. So we're here. I got Tony Cato. This is Tony.
What's up, everybody?
That's right. This guy is a legend. I keep calling it. Daniel's a legend.
Daniel's over there.
All right, Tony.
All right.
Where can they find you on Facebook?
Tony Cato. So it's Tony. Check it out. It's right over there.
Oh, check it out.
See it?
Right there. Right there. All right. Right there. Let's flip to it right here. So guys, we're just setting up here and we got Daniel. Daniel loves it when I pull him aside. What up? What? Hey, we're happy. We got legends. Northern California legends. They don't like it when I do that, but I always call them legends. So this is,
I'm really old.
me too. I'm having to start to admit that. Hey, this is a great human being here and a good friend of mine. He's coming out. Look at, he's getting set up. We're not going to broadcast any of this because you had to buy a ticket to get here.
Right.
You had to earn your way here, right? But we're just letting you guys know what's up. So here's the deal. We got people setting up doll heads. Whoa, this is just part of the team right here. Whoa, we're on Facebook, guys. So here's the deal. Wait a second. Wait, there she is.
Aloha.
Aloha. Did you have something to eat?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, very good.
Good. All right, well, we're waiting on you. We're waiting on you. All right, so I gotta tell the DJ to. You can take it up. I mean, you keep the volume there, but you can give us something a little.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So guys, if you want to come down here, we're at day one is on S Street here at the Verge Art Center, Art Gallery, and you can get a one-day ticket. I'll get you a one-day ticket to the Shear Factor. Now, if you're not in the local area, it's going to be kind of tough to get down here.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
Why are you at the Shear Factor?
I'm here to get more professional training and learn how to network.
That's right, networking. We got some doll heads in the house. We got Tony. This is a great setup right here. Look at that. This is the setup for a man.
That's it.
Yeah. And he's even got his Coca-Cola.
Right there. Bottle. Gotta go with the bottle.
Gotta go with the bottle. I love that. I love that. All right, so, okay. So, we're on Facebook Live. Why did you come to the Shear Factor?
Because I was in need for some positive energy.
Really? Oh, you're such a downer. Just kidding. All right. All right.
Shear Factor, baby. Shear Factor.
That's good. That's it right there. That's all I need to hear. Shear, baby. Shear Factor, baby. That's going to be, that's the chant. Shear Factor, baby.
Shear Factor, baby,
All right, why the Shear Factor?
because I want to expand my horizons.
You have 6 kids, so you know, I'm just saying. Like, she told us today she has 6. Nobody can get over it. We can't get over the fact she got 6. This 6 is a lot. No, anyway, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Yes. All right, so we're setting up, guys. If you're just joining us late, this is Shear Factor Day 1. We're running behind because we're all setting up. I mean, this is our second session of the day. Our first session was a haircut in the salon on my daughter. Check out this haircut. We're gonna, Ireland, come here. I'm gonna show your haircut. Look at that. There it is. Look at that. Hair by Mac. That really sweet haircut, right? Her hair used to be way down here. It's gorgeous. Hey! Oh! Guess we should get started, huh?
That might be a good idea.
I think they got started.
Already got started? Okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna start. Oh, a drastic. She said hi. She said hi to you.
Well, hello. Why aren't you here?
Why aren't you there?
Shear Factor.
Shear Factor,
Well,
baby.
we're
Yeah, we're getting it, make it happen. Belle, we are in Sacramento. That's where we're at. So come to Sacramento tonight. Also, what's really cool, really dope, is tonight. Oh, sorry, just Tony. What's secrets? I thought you were writing some
No,
secrets.
no, it's okay. I'm responding to people that watch my videos.
Oh, that's right. Tony has thousands watch his videos. Watch him on Facebook. Okay, guys. So we're in Sacramento tonight. We have the dinner, which is going to be really fun. So I'm gonna sign off of Facebook. I want you guys to know that we love you. But the rest of it's not going to be on the internet because you had to buy a ticket to be here. If you want a ticket to day 2, we're going to be in a different city. It's going to be fun. Take care, guys. Shear Factor, baby. All right, we're signing off.